Hi guys, my name is Susie. I'm a backyard gardener that loves to grow her own vegetables. Right now, I have lots of cherry tomatoes coming in, and I've been obsessed with pickling them, like a refrigerator pickling brine, and just popping them in salads or just eating them right out of the jar. They're delicious. So what you would need if you wanted to try this is about 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of basil, a pint jar, about 1.5 cups of the cherry tomatoes, celery seed, yellow mustard seed, pickling salt or like kosher salt. And then I'm going to measure out 2 cups of warm water, warm to hot. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the salt. Stir it till the salt dissolves. There is no boiling water and vinegar and salt or sugar in this recipe. Okay, now I don't go above the 1 tablespoon. You don't want it to be too salty. So really 1 tablespoon and 2 cups of warm water. Stir it till it dissolves. And then you put it aside. So now we're going to start stuffing the jar. I'm going to lightly crush the 4 cloves of garlic. And just crush them. I just used the flat side of a knife. Press down. Don't have to smash them. Man down. It's okay, it's on the floor. I'll get that later. Okay, and then I am just going to pull the leaves off the basil and lightly bruise them. I'm not chopping them or anything like that. I'm just going to lightly bruise them. These have been pre-rinsed and dried. Okay, so I just lightly bruise them up a little bit. You smell it, and then you can put them in. Okay, so now we're going to poke holes in the cherry tomatoes, just 1 hole, through the top and out the bottom. I've seen recipes where they have gone to town on, poking lots of little holes in it with a toothpick, but I don't like my tomatoes to get too drenched with the liquid. Trust me, they get plenty of flavor and they're preserved. So I'm going to do this kind of fast because I don't have my computer up and running and I can't fast forward and I can't delete anything. So what you see is what you get. I'm telling you, I keep 2 jars going. I like to keep 2 jars going at the same time so I don't run out. And I'm really enjoying these so much that I think even after tomato season, I might be buying some organic cherry tomatoes. Just keep them going throughout the winter so I can keep enjoying my salads. I mean, a salad to me is all about the salad toppings. I like to pickle the onions too. I like to pickle onions. Okay, that looks very full. So, see, we got the garlic, the basil, and the tomatoes. Now I'm going to pour in the brine. It's warm. and you want them to be covered. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle in a quarter of a teaspoon of the mustard seed. It's like a good healthy pinch, I would guess. And a quarter of a teaspoon of the celery seed. A good pinch of that also. And I kind of break it up as I put it in there to release whatever oils are in there. Okay, so I'm going to debubble this a little bit. See the bubbles in there? You kind of want to get some bubbles out. You don't have to get all of them, but you don't want too much air in here. The salt helps the fermentation of the pickling. If you didn't want to lose any sweetness, which I never found that I lost any sweetness, you would add vinegar, use like a vinegar salt brine. And really, that is it. Okay, so for about, the next 5 to 10 days, let them absorb the flavor. You can shake it every day, or just turn it upside down once a day. The next day, turn it right side up, and just keep rotating it. Or it's okay, just give it a shake and move things around in there. This is about 12 days old, and they are so ready to be eaten. So it feels firm, doesn't feel waterlogged. But when you bite it, it is a garlic basil explosion in your mouth. It's just so good. So I call these the garlic basil bombs. Absolutely love them. So good. You almost want to drink the water. Well, thank you guys for visiting, and I hope you give it a try and see how you like it. I'd love to hear if you tried it and what you thought about it. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.